Let's start with buying swimming gear. You will need to start with a very few small basic purchases like your swimsuit, your goggles, flip-flops and a towel. However, you might realize that if you go for the cheaper option, they might be less comfortable or effective in the water. Be prepared to invest some money. That will ensure your life in the pool will get much easier as a result. Another financial commitment to consider is the swimming pool membership itself. There are less expensive options like public pools, but you might want to consider some other things like health clubs or even spa pools in many hotels. I will make a video about the types of swimming pools in upcoming weeks. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it valuable so far. Many people tell me that they dislike the smell of chlorine on their skin even after they take a shower. I personally don't mind it, but be prepared that from now on this is how your body will smell like to you and your partner. You will have to face the fears you had since your childhood and be uncomfortable for a while. It will require you that you build resilience and character strength. Make sure you're ready for that before you sign up. You have to get used to the fact that even in the warm climate, when you get wet, it can feel really cold. The more you do it and the more you push yourself to exercise, your body will adapt quicker and you'll forget about being cold. But the dread of going into cold water never goes away. You will end up having water go into your nose from time to time. You will have to get used to the water getting into your ears. There are plugs that you can use to prevent the water from getting in, but the best solution is to simply accept and befriend that water.
Regretting this already.
Swimming is a full body workout and your muscles will feel sore from time to time, especially at the beginning. If you adjust your swimming goggles tightly, you'll end up with ring marks around your eyelids. These will disappear during the course of the day, but your friends might ask you about them from time to time. I found that my skin gets pretty dry after a swim. It's not a huge deal, but it does annoy me a bit. Although most people in the pool don't pay attention or care about what you look like, you'll have to face your own insecurities about your body. Remember that all the people there are as exposed as you are, yet they still enjoy their swim nonetheless.
No excuses.
If you got to here and you still didn't give up on the idea to learn to swim, I would like to commend you. You are about to change your life so positively that even your own family might not recognize you after. Here are the positives of taking up swimming. You'll have noticeably more confidence in your own abilities. As anyone who is able to face their fears on a regular basis, it builds a very strong character. You'll unlock new potential hobbies as a result of learning to swim. From surfing to sailing or kayaking, who knows what the ability to swim will inspire you to. With increased confidence comes more positive emotions. Exercise and physical activity will deliver more dopamine and endorphins to your body on a regular basis and make you feel awesome. Swimming is a full body workout and it will positively impact your health. It will increase your appetite and improve your digestion. And as a result, it will encourage you to make healthier choices. For example, implementing a healthier diet or give up smoking.
You decide.
After a good swim and a good meal, your body will ask you for a proper rest. You should be able to fall asleep without any issues and enjoy a few hours of quality shut-eye. I never thought it would be possible, but swimming helped me improve my upper body and helped me reduce a little bit of fat. It's quite common to strike a conversation with someone before, during, or after your swim. Who knows? Maybe you're going to meet someone special here. One of the things that learning to swim allowed me to do is to enjoy my holidays more. I can go to the sea without feeling embarrassed, surf without a life vest or snorkel in places where I couldn't go before. If all of your life you have been afraid of water and then you overcome it by learning to swim, nothing can stop you, my friend. If you learn to swim despite all that fear, think what else could you learn and do in your life. After learning to swim, you could look into the jobs in the leisure industry, or you could start your own water-based business. And for the most important reason, one day you will be able to save your own or someone else's life. That even could include your own child. And if you would like to see me take saving someone's life to another level, check out my next video where I'm talking about becoming a lifeguard despite the fear of water. Thanks for watching and see you in another one.
Thanks, pal.